Welcome, a good day. Electro AN is my YouTube channel. Today I tell my video that I called integrated circuit. So this is an integrated circuit that we can say the meaning of the IC. You can see different IC to different things. So the pins like this is in terms of the position of IC. One of the first person who made an IC cherished the creator is the Jack Kilby. In 1958 this was first released to the world. According to the use of an IC, we can see here details as follows: amplifiers, timers, computer RAM, flash memory, desktop computer, laptops, remote controller. So there have been a lot of transistors diode in the IC. Actually tell IC a large collection of electronic devices. So this is an integrated circuit. This includes a large number of devices and close outside of external coverage and so as pin out. These are pins we do the solder to the circuit, and then we can't see the inside parts of this. So this is the greatest advantage of creating a large amount of device in small space. And there is a lot of the ability to reduce voltage. At the same time on efficiency is good. This is also a circuit. So I will show you this kind of circuit. This is the integrated circuit of NE555, and the integrated circuit of this is. So you see the transistors, resistors, diode and very large quantity of this. There are 23 transistors. There are several resistors and diodes have 2. So here's the accessories within this package are connected to the external pin. But here is only a few devices. There are IC packages in the world that have billions of devices. So on several parts we can specify us on using such a devices. SSI, small scale integrated. There may be 100 devices. MSI, medium scale integrated. The devices range from the 100 to 3000. LSI, large scale integrated. The devices range from the 3000 to 1 lakh. VLSI, very large integrated. The devices vary from the 1 lakh to 10 lakh. ULSI, ultra range scale integrated, be more than 1 million. So how to connect these to the circuit? We can divide us into several parts. First, surface mount. Second, through hole IC. Surface mount was installed on the surface of the copper board. So the other is the pin solder in these holes. That tells the through hole. Next, this is the analog and digital IC, who can be divided into 2 parts as used for various purposes. The next video I am bring to you digital IC. Wait with my video. Good day for everyone. Thank you.